folks, we are here at World of Coffee 2026 with the Sanremo X-ONE grinder. Now, what makes this grinder special is it's basically 3 grinders in one. All right, you have the 2 standard hoppers as well as a manual bypass where you can put in individual doses of coffee, and you have 2 programmable sides that are all grind by weight, and you can also electronically set the distance of the discs apart from each other, so that way when you can both grind for espresso and for filter coffee in a programmed amount. It's meant to be an all-in-one grinder, and the X-ONE really delivers.